Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking Channel. Today I will make peanut potato cabbage recipe. For making this recipe, I took a small size cabbage, 3 small size potato, 3 to 4 green chilli and half inch grated ginger. I have washed the cabbage before cutting and then cut into small pieces. I will not add this hard part of this cabbage. Now rinse one more time and then steam for 4 to 5 minutes. In a kadai, add little cooking oil and add 2 tablespoons peanut. Stir continuously, fry the peanut until it crackles. Take out the peanut, then add pieces of potato cube. Fry the potato cube until it lightly color change. Add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and half a teaspoon salt. Stir for 2 minutes over medium to low heat. Don't make it brown, keep aside for later use. In the same kadai, add a tablespoon cooking oil. After oil is hot, add half a teaspoon cumin seed and 4 sliced green chilli. Saute for few seconds. Add the grated ginger with little water. Stir for few seconds, then add half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Saute until it's fragrant, then add the steamed cabbage. Over medium to high heat, stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Add half a teaspoon cumin powder and a teaspoon salt. Put a lid, cook for 5 minutes over low flame, then add the fried potato and peanut. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes over medium to high heat. Add a teaspoon sugar and cover for 3 minutes over low flame. After 3 minutes, open the lid and stir quickly. Our peanut potato cabbage recipe is ready. This recipe goes well with chapati or fulka roti. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.